Hello, grade 4, and welcome back. I want you to follow along with the slides, practicing each word or word part, just like we would in the classroom, okay? Let's get started. Now, as a review, I'm going to put my cursor or my mouse doodad underneath the word. As you see my signal, I want you to pronounce this word, and then I want you to listen for the way Miss Hollinger says the word and see if it matches up, okay? Let's get started. Plastic. Explain. Mitten. Coffee. Bunny. Symbol. Good work, grade 4. Let's move on to group number 2. Basic. Return. Tiny. Over. Tulip. And last word, hyphen. Good work, grade 4. Let's move on to our word decoding rules. Let's say them all together, please. Let's warm up those vocal cords. Ma 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 ma. Are they warm? Okay, let's get started. To decode an unfamiliar word, always follow these steps. Number 1, first identify any word parts. Number 2, then divide between consonants. Number 3, next try long vowel sounds. And number 4, if necessary, try short vowel sounds too. Good work, grade 4s. All right, let's move on to our word parts, okay? Make sure you're looking for the signal. So eyes on the screen, please. Full. Micro. Under. Zol. Super. Call. Sim. Iam. Yuna. Soul. Last word. Trans. Very good, grade 4. Let's move on to our words. Now remember, we are going to sound out each word part. Then we're going to identify what the word is. And then I want you to use your brains and think, what does this word mean? And how can I use it in a sentence? Remember to share your sentences with your families at home. Okay, let's get started. Ring. Cold. And the word is? Wrinkled! Okay, now think, what does wrinkled mean? And how can I use it in a sentence? Let's try the next word. Nose. Soul. And the word is? Nozzle! Now, boys and girls, what in the world does nozzle mean? What's the definition of nozzle? If you don't know, remember, you can always look it up online. What does nozzle mean? Okay, once you figure out what the word nozzle means, I want you to try and use it in a sentence. You guessed it, grade 4s. Okay, now remember to share these sentences with your family members at home. Also, please remember to do the spelling activity that goes along with this lesson and submit it on Google Classroom. Okay? Have a good day, grade 4s.